Today, we are making delicious keto cheese-stuffed buns. This recipe is designed to minimize blood sugar spikes, making it an excellent choice for diabetic diets. Best of all, each bun contains only 2.4 grams of net carbs. Counting net carbs is crucial for managing insulin response. This low amount ensures your blood sugar stays stable. Now, let's get right into the recipe and start baking. Coconut flour is a diabetic superfood. It's high in fiber and low in digestible carbs, helping to regulate blood sugar levels unlike regular wheat flour. Next, add 10 grams of psyllium husk powder. This is the secret to fluffy keto bread. Since we aren't using wheat, psyllium husk acts as a binder, mimicking the structure of gluten to give the buns a perfect, chewy texture. Give the dry ingredients a good whisk. You want to make sure everything is evenly combined and there are no lumps before adding the wet ingredients. Now, crack in 2 large eggs. Eggs provide the structure for our buns and pack a punch of healthy fats and protein, which are essential for staying satiated on a keto diet. The acidity here is key. It reacts with the baking powder to create gas bubbles, ensuring your buns rise beautifully and have a light, airy crumb instead of being dense. Separately, dissolve 2 grams of yeast in 130 milliliters of warm water. Even though we use baking powder for the rise, adding a little yeast is the secret to getting that authentic, fermented bread flavor and aroma that keto breads often lack. Coconut oil is rich in MCTs. Unlike glucose, MCTs bypass normal digestion and provide immediate energy without requiring insulin, helping to keep blood sugar stable. Stir it all up. Once it forms a dough, get in there with your hands and knead for a few minutes to get it nice and smooth. Kneading is key here. It helps the psyllium husk gel network to fully activate, giving the bun the elasticity it needs to hold the cheese filling without breaking. Next, divide your dough into 7 even portions. Flatten each ball. Place half a slice of cheddar cheese in the middle and fold the dough over to seal it completely. We use cheddar because it's virtually carb-free. This added fat and protein slows down digestion even further, preventing any rapid blood sugar rise while making the bun incredibly satisfying. Before we bake, lightly grease your baking dish with some butter. This ensures the buns don't stick and gives the bottom a nice flavor. Now, place the cheese-stuffed buns into your prepared pan. Make sure to leave a little space between them. Proper spacing allows hot air to circulate around each bun. This is vital for keto flours to cook evenly and rise without merging into a single mass. Cover the pan with plastic wrap and let it sit in a warm spot for about 30 minutes. Now, gently brush the top of each bun with some beaten egg yolk. This step gives your keto buns that beautiful, golden brown finish that makes them look just like traditional bakery bread. Quick question while we work. Are you team savory or team sweet for breakfast? Let me know in the comments. And if you're loving this recipe so far, don't forget to hit that like button. To finish them off, sprinkle a generous amount of unsweetened shredded coconut over the top of each bun. Pop them into your preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until they turn a deep golden brown. Just look at that! A perfectly golden, crispy crust on the outside, revealing a soft, fluffy interior with savory melted cheese mimicking traditional wheat bread perfectly. It looks absolutely mouth-watering. Forget about dry, cardboard keto bread. This is moist, spongy, and bounces right back when you press it. Truly the best texture I've ever made. But wait! Before I take that first bite, let's get a quick read on my pre-meal blood sugar. And we're at 4.7. That's about 85 for those using mg/dl. Perfect starting point. This confirms I'm in a fasted, steady state. Any significant rise we see later will be directly from the bun. Honestly, you can't even tell this is keto. Quick question, if you made these, what would you stuff them with? Ham? Jalapenos? Drop your ideas below. Alright, it's been exactly 1 hour since I ate. Time for the moment of truth. Let's check the numbers again. Look at that, 5.0. Or 90 if you're using mg/dl. It barely moved from my starting 4.7. That is honestly amazing stability. A rise of just 0.3 millimoles is basically nothing. This proves these buns are a total win for keeping your blood sugar flat and happy, with zero guilt. It's the combo of high fiber from the coconut flour and psyllium husk, paired with the healthy fats from the cheese and oil. These ingredients work together to slow down how fast glucose hits your bloodstream, preventing the spike you'd get from regular bread. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more diabetic-friendly keto recipes. See you in the next one.